harvesting some of my luffa here. And let's see, it's a little bit difficult here. Oopsie. And check out these, this one. Look at how big this is. Look at that. Look at the size of that luffa. I'm actually saving the seeds of this one. Look at how big that is. Whoa, it's bigger than my arm. Look at that. Look at the humongous size of this luffa. So that'll be the seeds for next year's sowing. And then I'm gonna pick some mahachin green mango. So I figure a way, because if you're diabetic, can't eat too much sugar, the best way to consume these mango is when they're green. So I am going to harvest it green, and I'm gonna give it to my little niece. She loves these green mango. So today is Saturday, August the 14th or the 13th. So let's see which one is ready for picking. I think this one might be ready, or this one, because I'm looking for like those little bubbles, little spots, and I'm not seeing on this mahachin at all. So let's see this one, because these mahachin are really sour when you pick them green. They're really sour, but if they get to the stage where it's mature, it's not that sour at all. Like, it has that little spot, it's about to turn color. Then it's like a bit sweet, not quite as sour. But I know these mahachin, they're extremely sour, because we tried to make green mango salad, and it was really sour. So, let's see. It looks like this sap is still milky, so it might not be ready. But I'm just gonna, that mango turpentine smells. I love it. I'm just gonna pick it for my little niece. Might not be ready yet, but I'll just pick one for her. And maybe another one from here. So yeah, I guess if you're, I think this one. So if you're diabetic, you can still eat mango, but eat it green. You don't have to let it ripen. It's crunchy, it tastes good. Actually, some people prefer eating green over eating ripe. So I guess my little niece, she prefers eating it green than ripe. So those, let's see, those are Kiasawa, and they're actually sweet, crunchy mango. They are not sour like these are. So let's see. I got 2 here for my little niece, so she can eat it green, or we can make it into a green mango salad. Green mango salad is really good too. So the Malika aren't ready yet. Let's see. Malika are not ready.